guys, so this is a war video, but it's kind of like the Royal Rumble because we are having jets versus cars, and I have to go get the cars really quick, so if you guys could wait. And Mason, I want to entertain them.
Okay. Also get as many jets as you can get.
As many jets?
Yeah. I want jets. I need jets. Yeah. I know what to do. Wait a second. Hey Daniel, I have a question. This question's kind of weird, but I have a question.
You go.
Daniel, I have a question. Why do you trap all these? Why do you trap a car in here?
I don't know. I found a ton of planes.
Oh yeah. Daniel, what if it is planes versus everything else? Since there's an immense amount of planes.
Okay.
Yeah, every single plane versus everything else. Yeah, this is a lot of planes.
Oh yeah, I think that's enough.
No, we have to get as many. I have to get all the planes. And Daniel, then I'm gonna give you 3 minutes. Whatever you can pick up, you can use on your side.
Alright.
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, I think this is all we can fit.
No, we can fit it.
Yeah, I think that's all.
No.
Yes, it is!
Why? Daniel, how about I bump it up to 5 minutes?
Okay.
5 minutes and whatever you can find, you can have.
How about 1 minute? I want you to count to 60, okay?
Only 1 minute, okay.
Okay. I think this is enough.
No, we need more. We're almost done, Daniel. Yup,
Here's a big, you tell me to put this away.
I am going. Is that a dead fly?
Yeah, a lot of bugs have been here last summer.
Okay.
This war is gonna be crazy, guys.
I guess I'll put this on my thing. Oh, yeah. We have that is all of these, of the planes that we're going to launch. And and Daniel has 60 seconds to get whatever he can to defend against them. Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Since you had that in your hand, you can use those. But Daniel, how is that going to defend against all of these?
I can ram in with most of them. And I can hit it with the maraca.
Okay. They're going to destroy the Malacca.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1,
go. Destroy this Malacca. No Malaccas today. These are the planes that are out. Holy cow. I got all those. I got those. Send out more. Oh my god. Got all of these. The gecko isn't doing anything. didn't do anything to them, but it did harm this vehicle.
Hold on.
And now for all the above.
Hold on. I said not yet.
Oh. They got out, so they're on yours. Alright, Daniel, is that your first last car?
Yep.
He was out, but the good thing is, you got all of these planes, and only 3 planes remained. So I lose. Daniel.
Okay, guys, so that is the end of the Royal Rumble War. So, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching, and please leave a subscribe and a like. We're trying to get to 50 subs so we can start live streaming, even on Golden Deluxe. So thank you. Goodbye.